The same old thing, like I said something just to ruin your mood and clip your wings. I would buy you a diamond ring if you made me feel like you were queen and I were king. God only knows that I'm...
All right, everybody, I had some bad footage, camera setting or something. So basically where we're at is, this was that maple burl. I've started burning the edge right here. What I'm going to try to do is make a double live edge. One out here, one in the center. I took my Jacobs chuck with an 1.5 inch Forstner bit, started the hollowing process. I'm going to hollow this back in, undercut this, and try to smooth out some of this, bring back the natural burl right here, but leave a burnt live edge here, burnt live edge here. Again, like I said, the footage was terrible. I might show that before or after this a little bit, but basically I roughed out my rough shape with roughing gouge, bowl gouge, a little bit of skew work right here. This has now been sanded to up to 320, I do believe. So anyway, I want to burn this a little bit more. We're going to do that right now. So anyway, I just wanted to apologize for the footage prior. Terrible. I don't know what happened. So been having a rough go at the videos lately. Just a lot going on, but it's neither here nor there. So anyway, I'm going to smooth the camera around. Let's get this burned a little bit more, and then we'll start the hollowing process. All right, we got a good char on that. It's gonna look good. So basically, keep that from happening, continuing, take a damp towel and just pat that. Stop the process, you know. There we go. Got a good char on that. It's gonna look good. I hope it will. All right, we've got a good char on that live edge. So I want these edges to be really sharp from the light wood to the black. So I'm gonna hit those with some sandpaper and define that already. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to start hollowing this out. Like I said, leave the double charred live edge, the rim and this rim. So natural wood in the middle. That's the goal. How it's going to turn out might be a different story, but either way, it's going to look good. So now we're back up to speed, excuse me, with everything. So, yeah, there we go. It's going to look good.
God only knows that I'm trying to do what I want to. Sometimes you're a fire, sometimes you're a ghost. Sometimes you can give me all the things that I love the most. Sometimes you're a queen, sometimes you're a curse. And
All right, we've got it mounted on a jam chuck. I got some paper towel in there for some cush. Use a small bowl gouge, and let's get that tenon removed, and we'll show you a little bit of that, and won't bore you with everything. All right, we've almost got that tenon turned off, but before we do that, I want to get some sanding done right here. Maybe add a couple of detail rings at the bottom just to finish everything off. All right, we got this sanded up to 320. Let's go ahead and add a couple of detail rings. Alright, nice and simple. I'll hit that a little bit more with some sandpaper and get that nub cut off, and we'll be back when I'm ready to put some finish on the bottom.